Let's see how to insert page break in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to divide our text into different pages. And we can do that by inserting page breaks. So, page breaks are basically breaks within the page where your text will end. And sometimes you can even create new sections where you can change the formatting of a particular page. And what I mean by that is first, let's click on the Layout tab. And right here, under Page Setup, you can see a drop-down list for page breaks. Now, you'll have different options for your page breaks. You can choose to have a simple page break, which will simply create a new page and break where your cursor is. You can have a column break, which is useful when you have your text divided into different columns, or you can have a text wrapping to select a particular text to move it around in your document. You can also create section breaks to change it or to transfer a particular text and to be able to change its formatting. So for example, we can create a next page section break. We can also create a section break within the same page, or we can choose to have it as an even page or an odd page. So let's go ahead and click on page break, a simple next page. And as you can see, everything that was after our cursor was transferred to the next page. And you have a lot of things to explore right here, especially in section breaks where you can change the page numbers, you can change the formatting of your header and footer for each page. However, that is for another video. And that is how you can insert a page break in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.